Hello, I'm going to explain about this product called as the Qwatt time switch. This is a single program time switch with 240 volts AC operated. I'll just tell you about what all these products has got in the front design. See, on the top you have these terminal connections A1, A2, P1, P2 and the connection to the load, that is NC common NO. And here in this front panel you have the display, you have 4 buttons and 2 slide switches, and down you have the battery slot. These buttons are specially meant for setting the clock timings and program settings. In coming videos I'll just explain you about this, how to set the program. And backside, this is a DIN rail mounted one. This can be mounted on the DIN rail. So this is the DIN rail on which it has to be mounted. This DIN rail can be fixed onto the wall or to the panel by using the screws. After mounting that DIN rail, you can just slide this product into the DIN rail, just like this. This is how the product will be hooked onto the wall or onto the panel. Now I will show you how to connect this product to the load. Let us do the connection details. See, on the top you can see A1, A2. This is for the source connection. This one, A1, let us say, will have it phase here, and A2 for the neutral. Then there is a link called as P1 and P2. There is already a shorted link here. Suppose you want to program the clock, this link has to be shorted. Once you program the clock, this link can be taken out. Then there is the output. So let us do the wiring now for this product. Now let us do the wiring for this product. So I am taking 2 wires. It is a plug. One is the phase. This is the phase, and this, let us say, this is the neutral. So for A1 I am connecting the phase wire. A1 I am connecting the phase wire, and you have to just tighten it properly. Use the proper wires. Here I am showing you in the raw format. You have to use the proper wires to connect it. See that the live wires are properly lugged and inserted properly so that there is no loose contacts. Now this neutral wire I am connecting to A2. See, now the source has been connected. Like A1 I have connected the phase, and A2 to the neutral wire. After connecting A1 and A2 source terminals, I am just taking one jumper wire. This is one jumper loop wire. From A1 I have to connect it to the common point here. From A1 to the common, it has to be looped. From A1 to common, that is the phase wire, is coming to the common point. Tighten it properly so that after connecting the A1 and A2 with the source wires, phase and neutral, A1 is phase and A2 is neutral. From A1 I am taking one more loop wire, and I am just connecting to the common point of the relay point. Yeah, after connecting A1 to the common point here, now let us connect this unit to the load. Here I am using the bulb as one load. The bulb has got 2 wires, one is the phase and neutral. So let us connect load to this particular unit. Now I am taking the phase wire of the bulb, and I am connecting to the NO point of the timer. One wire of the load, the phase wire of the bulb is connected to the NO point here. The neutral of the load, that is the bulb, should be connected to the A2. A2 is the neutral point in the circuit. So I am connecting to the neutral point. So now the wiring to the load has been completed. Let us see once again how the wiring has been done. let us have a quick recap of how the wiring has been done. See, this is the plug point. From the plug point, the two wires, that is phase and neutral, has been connected to A1 and A2. The two wires from the source, that is from the plug, has been connected to A1 and A2. From A1 we have taken one loop wire, that is jumper, and that is connected to the common of the relay. Here it's common. And from the NO point, we have taken it to the bulb's phase point here, bulb phase point. The bulb's neutral is coming to the A2, that is the neutral circuit. So this is the complete wiring, that is wiring has been completed now. Now let us see how to program the product. So after finishing the wiring, we have to ensure that the battery has to be put into the product. We are using it as the Duracell here. We recommend to use Duracell, which gives a longer life for the product. So how to place the battery in the given slot? Just remove the bottom slot provided for the battery. Ensure that the polarity, see the polarity of the battery, and accordingly place the battery here. Then close the cover of the battery. So the battery is placed now. The product is ready for programming. So let us now go for the programming option. After connecting all the wirings and inserting the cell into the product, I will just on the timer. As soon as I on it, the display will show the clock timings here. Currently it is showing here 11:07, the current timings here. How to change the clock timings? So you have to ensure that on the top this P1 and P2 terminals are shorted. Already we have provided a short link here, it's already shorted. So this is a program lock. If you remove this lock, no one can program the clock timings. So you have to ensure that these two terminals are connected to P1 and P2. Now to change the clock timings, you have to use the bottom two buttons given. This is clock hour and clock minute. Now it is the time here now, the clock time. Here is 11:30. So already 11 is there. I am going to change it to 11:30. So I am using clock minutes button. Clock minutes button I am using to change the clock minutes. So you can see the timing, it gets changed. Now see 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 16, 17, 18. So this is how you set the clock timings, the exact timings as of now. The clock timings is set now. Once you set the clock timings, you can just remove this P1 and P2 terminals so that no one can meddle with the clock timings here. This timings will be locked, totally locked. So let us move on to how to program the actual timings when the timer should on the circuit. So we will go for the programming mode next. Yeah, after setting the clock hours, now let us go for the programming. How to set the program for when the application should come on. See, here we have provided two slide switches here. The first slide switch, what you are seeing it here, is for the start timings, and the second slide switch is for the duration, till what duration it has to be on. So let us now move this slide. It has got run and start here, run and duration. By default it will be in the run position. To set the start timings, you have to position the first start time switch in the first slide switch into the start position here. Once you position it into the start position, it will show the factory set timings here. You can just change this. Now let us say that you want to on the application at evening 6 o'clock. So you have to press the top button, set the timings here as 18 hours. 18 means at evening 6 o'clock. So I am going to press this top button to change the timings. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and so now the program timings, that is to on the load, evening 6 o'clock is set. After setting that timing, bring back this slide switch into the run position. Once you bring back this into the run position, it shows the exact timings what is happening. So you have set the evening 6 o'clock as the start timings. Now let us move what is the duration that you have to set. Use the second slide switch here. This is the run duration. Slide it onto the duration side. Now let us say from evening 6 o'clock to next day morning 6 o'clock you have to set the timings. Now set the timings. So that is from evening 6 o'clock to next day morning 6 o'clock is 12 hours duration. Always see that you have to set this in the duration mode, not in the timely mode. So duration means from evening 6 o'clock to next day morning 6 o'clock it is 12 hours. So we have to set 12 here. So again use the program switches here. Just press this button and see that the timing is set to 12 here, 12 hours duration. Make the minutes as 00. See, now the duration is set for 12 hours. So let us see. So now the program has been set. So you can see it here now. If you position it into the run mode, it shows the 18 as the program set timings, that is 6 o'clock. And the duration, if you check it, it is 12 hours. So every day at evening 6 o'clock, the bulb load should come on and go off by next day morning 6 o'clock. This is how the program has been set. So when you position both in, now you see the real-time clock that is displaying it. Now let us see at evening 6 o'clock exactly how the bulb will come on. Let us see the real application, how the bulb will get on at evening 6 o'clock. Yeah, now the clock is set. You can see now it is showing 17:59. Almost just a minute left for the bulb to come on. Exactly at 18 hours, that is at evening 6 o'clock, this bulb should be on. So only few seconds are remaining for this bulb to be on. Let us wait and see that exactly at 18 hours this load should come on. Few more seconds have been left for this bulb to come on. Exactly when it turns 18, see now 18 is here and the bulb is on. So this is how exactly at every day, once you set this program, every day at 6 o'clock you get your load on at evening 6 o'clock. And now let us wait till next day morning 6 o'clock for the bulb to get turned off, or your load, your application to be get turned off at next day morning 6 o'clock. That is 12 hours duration. So let us wait for the next day. Now let us see exactly at next day morning 6 o'clock how it is going to go off. Now you can see here the clock is 5:59 here. Few more seconds are remaining to get at morning 6 o'clock the bulb should go off. So let us wait till now this becomes morning 6 so that the bulb will go off, your load will get off. So it is showing here as 5:59. Few more minutes, few more seconds left for the bulb to go off. See, now exactly at 6 the bulb went off. So this is how the application works. Every day from evening 6 o'clock to next day morning 6 o'clock, the time has been set from evening 6 o'clock to next day morning 6 o'clock. The application will get cut off at 6 o'clock. Hope this video was helpful for you to how to set the program and set your applications on and off using the single program Qwatt time switch. Thank you.